A new mission, a new order. There's fervor, yet the name remains unchanged. Pathan. But this time, I cannot do this alone. Perhaps I need the help of my old comrades, Kabir and Tiger. Because this time, it's not just our country on the line, but the entire world's discernment of right and wrong is at stake. The kids have fallen into evil's trap. I won't provide an explanation. It weakens the truth. But if even after this you think there's something more important to me than my flag and my nation, then I am ready to face any punishment. I know you seek revenge for your brother. But see, even this will be shot within your soul. Because their next episode is the India special.